Okay, question 22. We've been given a triangle. It's not a right angle triangle, so both SOHCAHTOA and Pythagoras are out of the window. We need to work out the value of sine ABC. ABC, so it's this angle up here. As this is not a right angle triangle, we've got to use the sine or the cosine rule. We'd rather not use the cosine rule for obvious reasons. Can we use the sine rule? Well, yes, we can, because we've got a side angle opposite pair, sine A over A. Okay, so I can say that sine 30 divided by 10.7 must be equal to sine, well, let's call this angle theta, sine theta divided by 6.5. So therefore, cross-multiplying, sine theta is equal to, sine 30 is a half, and we multiply that by 6.5, and we divide everything by 10.7. So as we haven't got a calculator, we've got to do this by hand. Half here will multiply the bottom by 2. So I get 6.5 divided by 21.4. And if m and n, this is m and this is n, are supposed to be integers, we need to multiply top and bottom by 10. So this becomes 65 divided by 214. So therefore m is equal to 65 and n is equal to 214. And that's your answer.